Students, in this video I'm solving DSE 2021 economics question paper. I'm solving the math section, which is 1 to 15, first 15 questions. So let me see this question. Find the value of summation of r equal to 0 to 50, 100 to 1. So we know that expression 1 plus x whole to the power 100. So that is 100c0, 100c1x plus 100 c2x squared dot 100 c100 x to the power 100. So putting x equal to minus 1. So what do you get? 100c0, 100c1 in that way. Last one is 100c100. So 100c0 plus 100c2 plus 100c4 in that way equal to 100c1 plus 100c3 dot 100c99. Now putting x equal to 1, very similarly 2 to the power 100, 100c0, 100c1, 100c2 dot 100. So taking common 100c0, 100c2 dot and here the odd ones 100c99. Taking both into consideration, so we can write 2 100c0, 100c2 dot 100c100. So obviously this part is 100c0, 100c2. So this was already 2 to the power 100, so 2 to the power 100 by 2, so 2 to the power 99, and hence this is our correct answer. Let's have a look to the next one. Suppose that n participants with distinct names arrive at a conference. The organizers have prepared the name tags for all of them, but by mistake allocate them name tags randomly to the participants. What is the expected number of participants that will receive their own name tag? Let xi be a random variable. Okay, so xi equal to 0 if a person doesn't get his correct name tag, no correct name tag, and xi equal to 1 if a person gets his correct name tag. Clear? So expectation of xi equal to summation of x into px, that is 0 plus 1 into 1 by n, that is only 1 by n. So expectation of x is summation of exi. So this will provide you 1 by n plus 1 by n dot 1 by n. So this whole thing is n times n into 1 by n. Answer is 1. So hence C is the correct answer.